Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking this pork chops. I'm just going to season with all-purpose seasoning, and I also have got some chicken seasoning here. A bit of salt, some garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. I'm also adding some sesame oil just to help with the marinating. There you go, the sesame oil. And guys, this is just one of those dishes that a weeknight dinner. So I'm just going to mix through. Very quick dinner, easy for a weeknight meal. So I'm going to eat this with some rice, but for now I'm just going to make sure everything is seasoned and mixed all the way through. And I'm just adding a bit of the all-purpose seasoning. Alright guys, just adding some oil. And make sure the oil is nice and hot. So today I'm making this delicious lamb, guys. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Just cooking dinner. It's about 6:30 here in Australia. 6:30 in the evening. It's dinner time. So I'm just browning the lamb first. Make sure everything is nice and brown, and then I'll add some onions and garlic just for the sauce. I know it's 8 hours from Brisbane. Yeah, I am from Mackay. Do you know where Mackay is? Mackay is Mackay is an hour flight from Brisbane. 1 hour 20 minutes from Brisbane. Yeah, it's about 9 hours drive from 9 or 8 hours drive from Brisbane to Mackay. I'm very close to Whitsundays, Early Beach. That's where I'm close to. Some onions, so just add onions on top. Also a tablespoon of garlic. I'm feeding only 3 people, but I'm going to have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So I'm working tomorrow morning, so I'm going to be feeding about 3 people and also lunch for tomorrow. Yeah, I know it's life is very expensive now. Buying lunch every day is so expensive. So I'm going to have lunch tomorrow. And also just adding some capsicum. So we're just gonna mix this together, guys. 3 tomatoes. Guys, if you want to feed a lot of people, this is a very cheap way to feed a lot of people, and I'm going to have extra and more sauce in there. Alright guys, just adding some beef stock. You can add chicken stock or whatever you have, but I've got beef stock and just adding that.